So the purpose of doing yoga is what? That we have to keep in mind. Meanwhile, we will do Tadasana. Okay. Legs are together, great toes are together. Press your ankles against each other. Distribute the weight of the whole body on the feet and tighten all your leg muscles. Exhale, suck your abdomen in. Inhale, expand your chest. Hands by the side of the body. This is Tadasana. Looking forward, gentle smile on the face. So, many people think that yoga is nothing but abnormal postures where we test the capacity of the body in the form of flexibility. I'm extremely sorry. That is not the correct way of interpreting yoga. Now, what is yoga? Coming into the equilibrium. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Coming into the equilibrium means what? Everything is in balance, everything is in poise. That is what is yoga. Yogas chitta vritti nirodha. What does it mean? Means the tendencies of the mind, the tendencies of the consciousness is to fluctuate. When we cessate that fluctuation, then that is called as yoga. Okay. So here one more important thing we have to learn is that whenever, now we will move on to Vrikshasana. Transfer the weight to the left side and then slowly lift the right leg. Whenever we are doing anything, we have to do in such a way that we should not harm ourselves. Na hathat, na balat. So that creates one question. Can yoga harm? Yes, yoga also has side effects, just like everything else. Ati sarvatra varjayet. Always respect the range of motion which you have, the capacity which you have. Exhale. And always do the things as gracefully as possible. Now, every joint in the body has one limit, one physiological limit. That limit should not be crossed. We should not be stretching the ligaments. We should not be stretching the joint capsules. We should be stretching the muscles and the fascia. And we should be aligning the bones in proper manner. Okay. So this is what is Vrikshasana. Now with right leg down. So when we do asana, we should feel good. We should feel a nice stretch in the muscles. We should feel the poise in the joints. Suppose by chance, your joints, they start paining while doing the asana. It means that something wrong is going on. There is a difference between the stretch and the pain. Okay. Stretch will feel good. Pain will not feel good. Okay. So that is one very extremely important point which we need to learn. Okay. And for that, if you do fast, you will definitely put unnecessarily stress on your joints. If you do slow, you will definitely engage your muscle, and through that muscle automatically the stretch will come, and through that muscle the automatically alignment also will come. Right leg like this, left leg like this. Okay, inhale, take your left hand up. Right leg is 180. Slowly go down and change your direction of looking towards the left. Feel the stretch. Inhale, come up. Feel the stretch. Only up to the point where you are comfortable. Okay, inhale, right hand up. Exhale, go down. Nice stretch. Enjoy. Open the shoulders. You have to bend in 2 dimensions, not in 3 dimensions. Inhale, come up. So this was Trikonasana.